What's up, everybody? Today we are going to be refactoring once again. Today is Refactoring A Game A Day. Today we are going to be doing Breakout, so that's exciting. Let's see, let's go to the live stream so I can pull up the chat real quick. And we are actually gaining subscribers. I was not expecting that, but okay. So, this is going to be a very, very long episode, I think. What's nice is that, as you can see, it's 200 lines of code in one file. So what I'm gonna do real quick is I've already got a block object here. I'm gonna create a new thing, and let's save this as block.js. Right there. I'm gonna name it block.js. So each block is a little square in here. If we have, okay, now here we go. Our colliding. This is what we need to move. Oh goodness, that is very, very long. It's a very long algorithm. I'm probably going to be refactoring a lot of that algorithm, which is going to be pretty difficult. So if we do block.prototype.update, I don't know if it needs an update. Let's just do a draw equals function. Block.prototype dot what we need to check the so what would it be? Hit by equals function, and I'm gonna sneeze. Excuse me. Okay, so wow, this is a crazy okay. Get the ball's true velocity. That doesn't make sense. That wouldn't mean the velocity. What was I thinking there? The true velocity, that doesn't mean, I don't know what I was thinking. It was a 4-hour stream, I think it was, right? I think it was like a 4-hour stream. Here, let me get the link and paste it in here. It was a 3-hour stream. Yeah, no telling what went on. Yeah, things get pretty crazy after 8:30. Okay. We have an end game. Let's go ahead, and while we can see this, let's just say what should I name it? Or not name. Well, obviously it's end game, but ends the game. There we go. So populate blocks. We may want to push this into the block. No, I don't think so. So here we go. We have a rows and a column number, a column count. I thought we had it so that we could do multiple, or not multiple, but okay, so what we have here, we have static blocks. Okay, let's do this. Let's make this an array. It's kind of nice when I have it like that. Equals an array. If I could find, goodness. Can I say this? Blocks equals populate blocks. Okay, cool. So that would do that. What I want to do is say, I'll push here. Okay. We won't have this saying blocks equals. We'll just say, here, on screen blocks, edge edge blocks. Oh, didn't want that. There. Should be good. Let's create a function. We have an end game. Okay. Function, let's just say init blocks. And within init blocks, we will say all this, so that, and then populate blocks. So within here, we don't say return B, we just say blocks. The Dio diss track, I don't really want to release that again. If you give me a valid reason, then possibly, but I don't think so. As much effort as I put into that video, I don't think it's an appropriate video to keep on the internet. So init blocks is push case blocks and breakable blocks. How would you call them? What am I saying? Push edge blocks. For David? For wait, what? Push edge blocks and push blocks and static blocks. Okay. Static blocks act as rebounds for the edges. There we go. So we have this. What we want is a init blocks. We'll make a constant real quick. Well, though we do not really need to keep that constant. What we can do is say init blocks and say a width and a height. So we do 1010, then it's hopefully going to say we have a width and a height. Okay. So it gets odd. Cause now I can't remember. Okay. Space between blocks. Okay. So okay, so 1, 2, let's try like 5, no. 5, 10, that's good. We have an error. Block is not defined. Okay, we need to go here and reference block. You win. What happened? We have this. New block. Okay, when we say new block, XY, width, height, color. Okay. Intact equals true. XY, width, height, color. XY, width, height, color. There, nope. There. Cool. That's that. Let's refresh. Is not a valid color representation. Okay. So what we have is wherever we say C, color. That's the only time. Dot C. There we go. Paddle or blocks dot color. There we go. Let's try this. Okay. Let's see. Let's see again. Dot color. It's only those. Paddle. Where is paddle then? Do we not have a paddle object? So this is just, oh goodness. We need a paddle. Function paddle. Paddle.js. Cool. Let's reference this. Paddle. Okay, within sketch, we really need to okay. Paddle v, radius, ball v, ball, there we go. Okay. We'll have one var, which is ball. We will have one paddle. We'll name that player. Okay. Score. We have our score. That's good. We do want that. Now, score equals 0. We're good in that. Create canvas. Cool, cool, cool. We want the radius to be a little bit not that. Okay, let's see. Balls is going to equal an array. No, I don't think so. We'll just keep it as this. But since we're making it an object, we'll be able to make more if we want to add in that feature. But I doubt that we will be. Paddle and a ball, and let's create a function ball. Ball.js. Okay, cool. A ball has a velocity and a position and a radius. This dot position equals create vector xy. This dot velocity equals create vector x velocity y velocity. No, velocity. There. Nice. We will say, and then this dot radius equals radius. Cool, cool, cool. We will say x, y, x velocity, y velocity, radius. Cool. So now we just need to create. Oh wait, you want my texture packs? Those are long gone, my dude. Say ball equals new ball, and what I want to say here is an x, so width over 2, height over 2. Okay, and then x velocity, y velocity. Okay. Then this, and then radius is going to be 10. So that's that. That's cool. Now we say paddle equals new block. Okay, cool, cool, cool. We don't need a paddle then. Let's delete that. Let's save a couple of these. Let's delete paddle. Move to trash. Don't need one of those. We will just say paddle then. Paddle equals that. When we say block, it has an x and a y, a width and a height, and a color. 1 second, guys. My lips are super chapped. Really need to not have them so chapped every once in a while. Wow, they got chapped in a hurry. That was quick. They're bleeding a little bit. Anyways, we have block, function block, function, all of these neat things. Let's see what happens if we run this. It's not a valid color representation. Where do we pass in? Okay, let's try a fill. Fill to paddle dot color. So within block, it is a color. Okay. Radius is not defined. Sketch 36. Ellipse. Okay. Don't need to draw the ball. At least right now. Actually, yes, we will. Ball dot prototype dot draw equals function. And what we'll say is fill. We'll just make it 999. That's fine. And then go here, fill it with that, you can exit, this dot position dot x, this dot position dot y, this dot radius times 2. So that's what we do now. We will also say no stroke. Oh, there we go. And we will draw each paddle. So what we will say is instead of this, we'll go into block within the draw. This dot that. I'm gonna make this into a position dot. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Create vector y there. Okay. This dot position dot x, this dot position dot y, this dot width, this dot height. There we go. Okay, cool. Now that's good. We have our draw. But we draw the score, we draw it twice. This does nothing. Okay, what we want to do is say paddle dot draw player. Draw stuff, okay. You don't really update anywhere. So let's just say function. This doesn't need to be here. Handle paddle could be moved somewhere else to end game can stay. Populate blocks. These three can stay. That's fine. Let's document this. Fill the screen with blocks. Okay. Rows calls. Actually no. Okay, we're not gonna do that for now. Calls. Yeah. Okay, that's self-explanatory. We have UN paddle v is not defined. That makes sense. It's probably because of handle paddle. What I meant to do is say function draw game. Okay, so here we are going to say we are going to cut all of this. Cool. Let's do this. We don't want too many things in the draw function, but we can have calls to methods, and that makes it look nice. So score, we'll do width over 2. It's good. Nothing should have a stroke. No stroke, there we go. That means we don't need that either. So within draw game, we draw score draws score blocks, ball, and paddle. So that's that for this. We're good. If it's intact, then we only if it is intact. that doesn't make sense. Okay. Color width, and really it's position.y dot position.x, and then height. Cool. Cool. That's good. Now here, if one, okay, let's go back here. Ball dot draw. Awesome. What we need to say now is within draw, instead of handle paddle and handle ball, we'll say, well, first we need to say draw game. And then within handle movement, check for a win. Okay. So what we want to say is draw the game. We also want to say paddle.update. Paddle.update and also ball.update. We want both of those. So that's cool. Now we need to move some of these. So we have an R colliding method. So within handle ball, that means we wouldn't have to update anything. We could say collides with within the ball function. It's really all we need to do. So we don't need a hit by. We need a ball.prototype.collides with this function block. Cool. Oh, there. Now what needs to happen is, okay, I need to redo this code. That's what I need to do. So we say for, well, really we just need to put this into the update function. Let me make sure that we are indeed drawing the ball. Okay, cool. Draw the score, draw ball, draw blocks. Okay, cool. Okay. Within ball, we are going to be working on a neat thing. We have an init. Push screen and static blocks. That's what I'm gonna name it. Or dock it as. So this is cool. I'm just gonna leave these here. For now. We can come back and comment it later. We have our left, top, and right. Left, right, and top. There. Awesome. Cool. Let's keep it like this. What's going on, Mason and Michael Gaming? How do I know all of this? YouTube, lots of YouTube. There's a guy, I linked him down in the description. He makes, he does coding challenges in P5, and it's, that's where I learned all of my knowledge, really. Let me do handleball. Let's do an update function within the ball class, or ball prototype. Update. Okay. Then this, we are going to say, this dot position dot add this dot velocity. Didn't mean that. Okay, this needs to be position. Now, what we do is we say, do I create games? Apart from a game a day, I do not. This is the only time. I don't want to exit. So let's say move, and then didn't mean that. Okay, this is fine. Actually, no. There. Check collisions. Cool. But yeah, I don't enjoy, like, I don't know. I like data. That's what I enjoy. I don't necessarily like the games. Or creating them. I mean, it is fun, don't get me wrong, or else I wouldn't be doing this, because it's a lot of time. Yeah, that's why I don't really make games. If we have blocks, we have update. I'd like to pass in blocks. Blocks.length if this, it's like this dot hits. If, do we have a hits collides with here? If this dot collides with blocks of I, then score plus plus contact or intact equals false, and then we break. That makes sense. So if we this is fine. We check all the collisions. If it collides with it, we increase the score. Remove from screen. No more looping. Why did I stop playing Minecraft? I do not have time to play Minecraft anymore. If it's not on screen. I put a hyphen in there last time. Yeah, I simply don't have time. I'd rather code. I'd rather make something for other people to use than like game. You know what I'm saying? It feels better, I guess. So we have a collides with. That's something we need to do in a little bit. We have this. Are colliding. Okay, so now we need to check this dot collides with this is okay, here. This is what we're gonna do. Var rebound equals this dot collides with blocks of I. So yes, hold rebound. So yeah, that's cool. If rebound doesn't equal 0, we're good. And then we say, we're gonna have to work on this. Have you seen any Google Experiments games? No, I don't think so. I don't think I know what you're talking about, really. But yeah, let's see. So if we break, that's fine. That's fine if we break. This doesn't close properly. We also need to check on screen block collisions. Let's say check static block collisions. Okay. We don't want this. We'll say var rebound equals null. Okay. And we say rebound equals collides with no. Okay, var rebound. And we just say rebound equals collides with. Now what we want to say is if nothing is rebound. So if rebound does not equal null, then we rebound the ball. Okay, we are going to need to do that in a little bit since our velocities depend on it. So if it doesn't equal null, and it doesn't equal 0. Okay, so that's that. So just look up Google. Okay, we'll do. If it doesn't equal 0, then we can change the rebound on it. If we break, that's good. I kind of need this to go up here. Rebound equals, we don't, okay, I don't want to, I want to be able to search through that. Okay, what I'd like to be able to do is just be able to say, if we break out of this, I want to also skip this for loop. But if we just come out here normally, then we run through this loop. However, we can just say, we'll say this dot collides with static blocks of J. So we'll say that if we'll just say if okay here, if rebound equals 0 or rebound equals null, then we loop through. There we go. No need for all these shenanigans. Check static blocks collisions. We're good. Rebound the ball. Okay. Alright, 0. That's good. What we want to do is say based upon if rebound equals 1 or is greater than 0, then we do this. Else, we do this. So if it's greater than 1, then we need to reflect velocity on x and we'll just say for x and y. Okay. So let's paste this. In this case, we will just, well, you see now it's like, it's kind of funky, because it, let's see, okay, it's the second because you only have x and y. Wow, I'm really tired. Okay, hang on. Let's see. What we're gonna do is it's going to return an object, returns rebound object. Yes, okay. So we will say return an object literal. We will say collision whatever true x -1 y -1. So we want to say, so rebound, as long as rebound doesn't equal null and rebound dot collision, so if there was no collision, then we will, okay, where was I? I keep, like, falling asleep during this, stream. My goodness. Okay. We have an update function. We check the blocks. We check the rebound. So if rebound, okay, we say this dot velocity dot multiply by rebound or create vector. We're just gonna say here, say velocity change, create vector x, y, var x equals -1, var y equals -1. That's what I'll say. Now what we want to say is in rebound.collision we create the vector. That's good. We want to create the vector, but we want to reference velocity change. So, rebound dot velocity changed. Cool. That's that. Rebound the ball. Now we want to figure these out. So what we need to do is say, we're good on this respect. In this respect, we're good. We check the static block collisions, and we also check the on-screen block collisions. Store data return. We have draw, we have radius, we have everything needed to check our colliding. So let's just try something. So we have this, paddle.update is not a function. Really? It's not a function? I thought it was. Oh, okay, okay. Block.prototype.update equals function. Now this is something, it's a bit tricky, but it really isn't tricky. It might seem tricky because our paddle, our player paddle, is a block and we need to be able to update it, but we don't want those effects going to the on-screen blocks. But the way we get around that is by not looping through the blocks. We only say paddle.update, so that it's never really called. Block.prototype is never, or block.prototype.update is only called for the paddle. That's what I'm trying to say. So we handle the ball, which is good. Handle paddle. Now we need a move function then. So I'm gonna copy this one. Move velocity. Let's try this. I'm just gonna say X. Okay. So here is when we say paddle.move 4, and then we can say paddle.move -4. So that's that. What we need to do now is within the update is to simply add this code. It's really simple. Except this dot position dot add this dot velocity, and I keep forgetting that position. Then we say this dot velocity dot molt by 0.7. Friction and movement. Constrain, that's fine. What we need to do now, what exactly do we need to do? Width minus this dot width. There we go. Paddle, it's actually this dot position dot x. Cool, cool, cool. We'll just say this dot velocity dot add x, or we'll create a vector. Really, we don't have here. Okay, let's just say this dot x velocity equals 0. This dot x velocity times equals 0.7. Okay, cool, cool, cool. So now what we want to do, wow, okay. I nearly fell asleep there. Wow, okay. This is what happens when you don't get sleep. What I need to do is, wow, I completely blanked out. I think I actually, like, fell asleep and I was, like, sleep talking there. We'll have to go over the footage again. Sheesh. What I was doing, I added friction, and I changed, we need a this dot position dot x, this dot velocity, not dot add, although, we say this dot x velocity equals x, or plus equals x. And so in that case, we should be good. We have these handle paddle. So we'll just say handle keys. Draw game handle keys. What I'll do is I will actually do it here. Okay, there. Key input. Actually, I'm not gonna. Handles input. Okay. Draw game, in game, init blocks, all of the initialization, we're good. What is this? Now we have update within block. We have position.add this dot velocity. So it's not necessarily, we just need to say dot x plus equals this dot velocity. There, semicolon, let's try. JS25. This dot position, oh, my bad. X velocity. 25 still. Wait, why did I name it like that? I don't know. Position. When do we, okay. Cool. Paste that. Does this one also have a position property, or is it a pause? So this is position. So that was correct. We're good. Ball 21. So, we have blocks. It's right here. Blocks.length. When we say blocks.length, apparently it's not a thing. I am guessing that is because when we say oh, we don't pass it in. Right, okay. Collides with block. We will say ball.update blocks. Now, let's console.log blocks.length. There, 0. Did we have init blocks? Okay, we did. In the init blocks, we have populate blocks and the static block handler. So for populate blocks, we're saying blocks.push. So that should be good. Let's try it. Let's try this. Flag 50 flags, and we push each one. Blocks. Is it some sort of blocks is an array? Okay, wait. Yeah, we're saying blocks is a new array here. Within here, that's fine. We are pushing each one, correct? Since we have 50 of these, the block's length should be at least 1. What am I? Oh my gosh, why? I think I like dozed off again. The block's length should be 50. That's what I meant. So we have it flagging. When we push a new block with a random color. Do we push an undefined? Is that what we're doing? XY width height color. XY width height color. So no, it's correct. we say var blocks. Oh, here. Right there is what we're doing wrong. Cannot read 78. Okay. Blocks.position. Cool. So we have a 10 by 10 grid. What we want to do is say, I want to be able to specify the amount of calls and rows. So what we want to do is say width equals, it's going to equal the width over calls width over columns. Okay, so at that point the width of them will be okay, and then the padding, hang on. Padding is going to be the space between the blocks. It's always going to be 5. So the width is going to be minus padding times 2. I want to keep that there. Let's try this. Height will be the same. So what's up with this now? Width over columns. This is what it should be. That should be fine. It's not drawing anymore, although. Let's look at blocks. Blocks is an empty array. So what is going on? Let's copy this. Okay, there. Okay, so now we know that this is wrong. Oh, okay. Or no, this is fine. Rows, calls. I don't understand why nothing is looping. None of this is looping right here. Let's do console log flag 1. I'll just name it flag 1. None of this is looping for some reason. Columns should be 10. Rows should be 10. Let's console.log those. Wow, okay. Log calls rows. Undefined. Populate blocks. Rows calls. Rows calls. Whew, okay. Calls. There. Cool. Now that's what I was looking for. Yes, that's what I wanted. So now we are good. We're good. Don't want this. Can say, oh gosh. Blocks equals an array. And we have all of those. Where are we also console.logging blocks.length? Okay. So now what we want to do is say, okay, you know what, real quick, when we draw the score, I do kind of just want that to be 50. So we have everything sorted out, except we need this is fine. We need movement because we're not getting any movement with the ball. And what we are saying is, so okay. I'm just gonna take this right now and do it there. Okay. So what I want to do is say, so instead of saying true velocity, the ball's the next position, there we go. Okay, check y plane, blocked out y, it's this dot position dot x, this dot position dot y, ball, or no, okay, this dot position dot x, this dot position dot y, and then here is block. No, it's again this. I completely messed it up. B next position. Here we'll just say next position equals create vector this, not that, okay, there. Cool. Check y plane. This is good. Height. This dot radius. Position. Okay, let's see. We will just say next position. So that's good. Y bound equals, yes, okay, what's y bound? Top bound, bottom bound, y bound. What's up with that? Okay, so where do we have lower? Block y. Oh, what did I do? Oh, I wanted that. Oh, wow, I am really, oh man. Lower block y. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this like this. Lower bound, line, or dimension plus radius. Height, position, all of this must be changed. There, position, ball velocity, ball dot velocity, what is this? Oh, snap. Oh, goodness. I've been editing the wrong one. Okay. I really need to delete this, actually. So let's just delete that. So now, what I'd like to do, we have this position, height, radius, top bound, bottom bound, y bound, check X plane, and we check all of the X plane, except we need to say dot position, dot position, dot position, width, right bound, and we need to do BX, it would be next position, next position dot y, and then this is just dot y. All of this is dot y. We've always been focusing on the y value, really. Dot x, dot x, dot x, dot x. Okay. X bound is this dot x, this dot x. Okay. This dot position dot x. There. This dot velocity dot multiply. Okay, we're cool. Okay. Although we don't want if there's a collision, we just need to say, we'll just say var collided equals this. There we go. Yo, man. How you doing? Let's see. Collided. There we go. Velocity change x and y. What we need to say is var x change equals 1. Var y change equals 1. This is rebound. Yeah, okay. Rebound x, rebound y. Maybe a face cam. But not right now. I don't have a good camera for that. Well, I do, but setting it up with OBS is a pain, and I've tried doing it with the GoPro and the connection isn't stable. So let's see. We say x change equals this, and then we say y change equals that also. Okay, so if there's a collision like this, then we're good. Let's just say var collided equals, and we'll just check it here. Then we'll say if collided. Oh, okay. Okay. There, don't need these. This closes there. Speed up. There we go. Collided. Cool. Unexpected token. Ball 64. Oh, no. 64. Okay. Oh, and I forgot a parenthesis. Right there. Okay. Radius is not defined. Ball 58. This dot radius. And also this dot radius. How you guys doing? Radius is not defined. 73. Oh, I thought I just did that. Maybe I already missed it. X is not defined. 94. X change, Y change is really what it needs to be. There we go. Let's move this. Collided, velocity change. Okay, there. That's what we return. Okay, so as you can see, we broke it, which is fine. But what we need to say, X bound, Y bound. What do we do when we check this? Okay, when we say rebound equals that, if rebound, oh, okay, here. If rebound dot collided, right? Collision, okay, yes. Collision. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. No, okay, that didn't work. And it doesn't seem to collide with the paddle either. Let's turn the ball the other way real quick. When we say X velocity, oh snap. P Shaw. Let's see. Wow, we have quite a few, what's it called? Quite a few viewers. Sean Culled Mimmin. Let's see. Let's see. I'm like struggling to stay awake because I have not gotten much sleep at all. Okay, in order to test this, we are going to not randomize the ball, but we are going to say, here, let me control duplicate that. And instead of this being like this, we will say 0, 1. Or actually -1. So yes, it just kind of flows through. It does collide. It does collide. As you can see, if you can see this, it speeds up. Right here. It speeds up. So it is colliding. We do have the check collision. Well, no, we don't, because if it were colliding, then we have, where's the donate button? I don't have a donate button, but, yeah, I don't have any donate button. I was about to offer, like, because when I had my server, I'd be like, oh yeah, just buy a rank on my server. You get some, it's practically a donation, but anyways, yeah, I don't really have a donate button, nor do I need to with 5 viewers. I appreciate the offer though. X change, Y change, this is fine. Collided, let's flag when we say collided, really. Console.log flag. You guys aren't gonna be able to see this, and I apologize for that. As you can see, okay, we are always colliding, which is odd. X bound, Y bound. There's so many places that this could have gone so wrong with all of these checks. Let's do some checking. How is it stopped? How is it stopped here? Somehow it's not going above. I don't understand. Anyways, we're always colliding. Collision collided. Rebound dot collided or dot collision. Let's first console.log rebound dot collision. There, and I will no longer flag here. False, false, false. Okay, now it's never true. So this is actually, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Huh? What is up? What is going on right there? Anyways, let's see. Wow, okay, that's why. No wonder it crashes. So now it's never colliding, which is fine. That's better than colliding all the time, really. Whoa. Let's save this. Let's F5. I don't want to keep on logging. It's truly a lot of calculations. I do. You are correct. I would like ideas on games. Right now I'm in some sort of refactory period where I go back and I make everything more understandable. But yeah. So left X block. Blocks leftmost side. Blocks leftmost bound. 200,000 times. That's a lot of times to be logging something. No wonder it's like not responding too well. So that's good. Let's see. Blocks leftmost side, except this time it's blocks rightmost side. Can you make Minecraft too? Okay, that reminds me. If anybody remembers Sethblings, no, you probably don't, but it's, here, I'll link it. Sethbling Minecraft 2. Yeah. It's this game. Go look this one up. I could probably make this, not in Excel, but I could probably make an equivalent. Okay, Minecraft 2, Minecraft 3, Minecraft the prequel, spin-off Minecraft MOBA, and Asteroids. Okay, well, I have done Asteroids already. That can be found on my channel. So Minecraft 2 and 3, will I? I most likely won't. Well, maybe. I don't know. I'll have to look back at this. He did have crafting. I think that would be really cool to do, honestly. That'd be a special, I guess. I don't know. I don't know exactly how much it would take to code that, to be quite honest. It looks simple. It looks actually very difficult in Excel, but I'm not sure about P5, because with crafting and recipes and stuff, how's your man Randy Kirk? He's doing fantastic. All is well at Klein Collins. Why is this still logging? This shouldn't be still logging. I'm just gonna exit out of it. Okay, yes, it's no longer logging. Okay, this is where I debug, but left bound, right bound, and next position. Okay, so we're gonna say within left bound. Within left bound. No, what? Why are we checking a greater than to... Oh wait, no. Okay, we're good. So when do we ever check? Here, let's go back to here. See, this is gonna be a Boolean. When do we ever use this? Oh, okay. We'll say within left bound. That's where we use it. Within right bound. Okay, I need to write that down. Okay. Calculate rebound. So top bound, we'll say within top bound, and we'll say within bottom bound. Top bound will be here. Say within bottom bound. Calculate rebound will go, okay, we already have that. Lower X bound. Check Y plane. So when we check Y plane, we say, we're checking the left. Check blocks leftmost side. Blocks topmost side. That's what we're doing. Blocks topmost bound. Blocks bottommost side. Blocks bottommost bound. There we go. So now that we're making sure all of that is good, I feel like we should do some drawing, some like points with it. So here we will check. We're calculating the rebound. So what are we doing with X bound? Or Y bound into X bound? What is this exactly? Okay, let's check this. Var Y bound is equal to next position greater than or equal to upper Y bound, lower than lower Y bound. I'm gonna put this as a comment here. Collides on Y. Collides on Y. Collides on X. So this is going to be, it's going to collide on the X. Var collided equals the OR of that. We have an error. We do not have an error. We have a freeze, right? Do we have a freeze? Ball. Okay, it stopped moving, and I don't really know why. Let's do the AND real quick. Okay, let's do something risky. I know this is probably going to here. Let's do this just in case. Let's bring in another another copy of it. Console.log xbound y bound yx bound. Whoa. False, false, true, 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 true. Here we have true, true. Let's look up left x bound. Block.position.x minus this.radius. Plus the width plus the radius. That's the rightmost bound. That makes sense. Oh, okay. I think what's happening is if we change this to be that. Let's not log real quick. Let's go like this. Oh, okay. Let's try the ends. No, okay. There. Collided. We speed it up. Collision equals collided, and we pass in the velocity change. Yet we do not need to. Okay. Maybe we need to check this one out. Okay, well, that's something interesting that's happening. Definitely interesting. Multiply. We aren't going to multiply by that, actually. I'm gonna duplicate it, multiply by create vector. Okay, so I figured out what's wrong. Dot x times equals dot x. So you can't multiply and expect it to multiply correctly when working with vectors, apparently. And I always seem to forget that. But now we should be good. So that was that. We want this to be like this. Okay, so that worked a little bit. So this is, it's not hitting that. When we say update, can we say update? Ball.update that. Within blocks and paddle. Pass in the paddle. And then if rebound is null. Okay, yeah. We want to check again. We'll check. This time we will be checking for ball.update, not .update, dot collides with paddle. Check paddle collisions. Collision. No plural. Cannot read property position of undefined. That is because we do not pass in. Where is ball.update? Blocks paddle. There we go. You guys probably can't see that. So it kind of goes into the middle, which is interesting. Let's see if it rebounds. Let's see if it rebounds ever. I don't think it's ever going to rebound. However, I'll keep my eye on that because something fishy was that it hit late up here. So that's clearly something that isn't correct. This is something that really was difficult for the last time we did Breakout. I don't think we need to do the next position. I think we can just kind of say, I'd love to know what is undefined. I'd love to console.log everything. Okay, before we return, we're going to say console.log every single thing. X change, Y change, right X bound, left X bound, left X bound, lower Y bound, upper Y bound. I won't do everything because then it'll get absolutely chaotic. Nothing is undefined. Fantastic. That's what I wanted to check. However, we are not, it just kind of goes to this one. Let's go to my GitHub real quick. GitHub, and we'll compare code from there. Because I feel like I accidentally messed something up. Oh, didn't mean that. Let's go to my profile, a game a day, Breakout, index, sketch. Here we go. Bad code right here, but looking good. We say ball's true velocity, okay? Which is BXV and BYV. Now within here we are simply saying, oh wow, okay, I messed that up. Velocity. Whoa, okay, yes, it does work. Okay, let's see it rebound off of my paddle. Doesn't rebound off my paddle. Okay. So this is interesting. Oh wait, no. Okay. Let's just do this. Okay. Seems to be going faster. I have no clue though. Top bound. We have an upper bound, a lower bound, top bound, or within top bound. Let's console.log these. Let's draw a point. Stroke 255. Stroke weight 5. Point at upper Y block. Yeah, okay. Here, let me move this here. There. Let's do this right here. Upper Y block. Left, or we want bound here. Left X bound. Point lower Y bound. Left X bound. And then we want to do the same, but to right. And then upper, lower, yeah, okay. Good. Whoa. Okay, we do not want to be, okay, after this we would simply say no stroke. Since this is just debugging, I'm just gonna keep it like this. So these are completely off. That's the problem here. We have their position, we have their width, we have their radius. What is causing them to have such crazy numbers? Well, maybe it's because I messed something up here. Oh yes, it is. I accidentally switched around. Oh goodness. This goes here. Left X bound. Lower Y bound. Here, okay, those go here. Upper, lower, lower. So they kind of load in, which is odd. So this one's, it's right here, here, and here, and here. So if it happens, we need to change the okay, let's try an and. No. It didn't. It didn't. Rip. We did get there. Better though. Fantastic. We have that. Now all we need to do is fix when it goes to the top. So what's up with the upper Y bound? Are we not updating toward the block correctly? We say collides with block. When we have the paddle, we pass in the paddle. If it equals null, then we check the check each collision. We need to check. Okay, if rebound does not equal null, and these need to be ands, I'm pretty sure. Okay, now, oh wow, we are not. You're not even checking this, are we? Okay, this needs to be. It does need to be an or. I'm gonna set this equal to null real quick. We will say or. So we are checking this, so that's not the problem here. What we need to check is, this is fine. I'd like to flag the rebound. Let's see. Let's just say console.log rebound.collision. Okay, it's simply not colliding. That is troublesome. We have the bottom down. I mean, not the bottom down. The bottom bound within bottom bound. Let's make this a lot less. Let's make like init blocks with a 5 by 5. Boop. Nope. Doesn't want to work, does it? Okay. So why? Let's look up upper Y block, upper Y bound. These are clearly fine. These are fine. When we draw the points, these are awesome. But we aren't getting a conclusive result, which would signify that we are indeed hitting it. Y bound means it collides on Y. So we need X bound and Y bound. Collided, let's console.log Y bound. There we go. Well, I mean, it's constantly logging. Okay. Okay, that doesn't help really. Let's look at so we'll say if X bound stroke equals stroke FF0000, else if Y bound stroke 0000, I mean 00FF such and such, Oh, we'll just make it white. This one will be that. Else if, actually I'm just gonna make this, I'll make this Y bound. Else if X bound. Stroke, pound 0000 FF. Let's do that. Oh, my bad. Okay. It's blue. Switches to green. And it was true for both. So what was up with that? It's true right there. It happens. It gets true. What's up with this? Though it never says true. Why not? Rebound.collision. That makes sense right there. Don't want it though. Console log flag. Let's try it. Okay, so it is going completely correct. It's just not doing it correctly. So it could be one of many reasons. Oh, that looks so cool. Okay, so this didn't do anything. We say flag, and it flags a whole load, but it doesn't change the velocity for some reason. Exchange equals within left bound, within top bound, within bottom bound, within top bound, within bottom bound. Let's control D. Let's control D. Yes, we have the exact names. We flag, yet we do not. Here, let's log X change, Y change. One negative one. That makes sense. Are we doing it too fast? Okay. We have the first one. And then we are saying 1 negative 1. Good, good, good. This has nothing to do with it. Let's keep this like this. Oh my gosh. That was the bug the whole time. Okay. Fantastic. Fantastic. Yes. Let's have it speed up now. Let's say speed up. Stop velocity dot multiply. Are we speeding up? I hope we are. Anyways, let's make this the random. Okay, and we no longer need to be drawing like this. And I'm fairly certain all this is pretty well documented. Oh snap. Oh, okay. Ah, I lied. It's not. Okay, well, it's not rebounding off of... Okay, let's keep these real quick. We have ball, we have init, static blocks. Oh, wait a minute. Blocks, static blocks. Static blocks set length. When we say update blocks, static blocks, paddle. Oh wait, no, okay, let's go back to this. The ball there, nope, there, we will say 1 0, make it actually like 3. Are we checking for them? I can't really tell. Static blocks, we have 4. Height, intact. Okay. So we have the static blocks being, I can't really tell if they're being checked or not. Let's console.log static blocks of J So we're never really... Okay, let's have this... Let's go back to having the ball go at, let's do 3. Is it gonna rebound off the top? Because if so, then it's a problem with our what's it called? I hope it goes through. Dang it. It doesn't go through. Okay, so now what needs to happen? Okay. Yes. Okay, we have an error. The X bounds don't seem to be working at all. Let's not log this. Let's see. Okay, that happened. Well, I mean, it kind of works. Okay, well, that's the bug. Oh, snap. This is funny looking. It, like, gets glitched. No. Yeah, okay, so bottom line, the X bounds are not working. So when it's within, hang on, when it's within only X bound, should be blue only. This should be getting faster and faster, hopefully. Do we properly velocity change.x? Whoa, what happened there? Anyways. .y radius, good. So we have the right x bound and the this is so odd, yo. So I need to set, let's set the frame rate. Let's say frame rate 5. Let's see. Whoa. Okay. Ah, heck. Didn't want that to happen. Okay. Okay, that didn't work. Okay. And now. So the white. Watch this. Okay, yeah, that's sort of a bug. Do we hit? See, it's not reflecting. It's not reflecting. Let's check green. If y bound. If it's only y bound, then we're good. However, when we hit, it's like, so it turns white now. And it makes sense why it does. But are we rebounding correctly? Let's do console.log x change y change. So we did get a -1. We did get a -1. X change, Y change. I didn't even think about it. Okay, let's try this a different way. Let's go like this. Let's do 3, 0. Ever so slowly. So let's see if -1 pops up. It does. So why do we then not reflect? X velocity, Y velocity. It's not on screen. Ball. See, this is very, very confusing now. Stop position.x. It never wants to. If it collides with static blocks of J, that's fine. We know we're checking on those. Let's say, what if we tried this? What if we did height, we did like 50? What would this do? It's working. So are we truly drawing them? Or in it, where is it? Let's do width -5. Hang on, wait. Block? We have a block. XY width height. This is going to be 20. And we have a left, right, and really we can just kind of say, let's try this. Okay. Let's give it the regular frame rate and what's it called? Oh, let's set it up at height over 2. It just passes right through. It passes directly through. Let's give it -3. Let's try that. And it passes directly through once again. This is frustrating, yo. We pass these. It's at 0, 0. Okay, it's at 0, 0. 0, 0. It's a width of 20, which will probably be this way. Let's try like 90. If we did that. Oh, well, because we aren't drawing them, it won't draw them. Init blocks, we push to static blocks. We have multiple blocks. I want to. Let's just loop through static blocks. Also, yeah. We will say static blocks of I dot draw. Oh, what's happening here? Oh, have I forgotten to? Yeah, okay. Let's delete the draw. No need to draw them like this. What's up with it then? What's up? Let's make it 5. Yeah, 5. 5, I think. I don't understand. Okay. So we aren't going to worry about static blocks. That's something we're not going to do. We're just going to have populate blocks. Init blocks, where is it? Populate blocks. Can I completely get rid of this? Here, I know I can get rid of that. Can I get rid of this? Oh wait, no I can't. Okay, let's do if blocks of I dot draw. So what we say is we have a draw, we have an update. Else we are going to check collision, check window collision. If this dot position dot x is greater than 0 or is less than 0, or this dot position dot x is greater than width, we'll just say this dot velocity dot x times equals -1. If the y is less than 0, then we will say the y multiply by -1. Else if position dot y is greater than width, end game, false. Hit top, past bottom, hit left or right. There we go. That's that. Not read x of undefined. Position, there. Okay, that's what I needed. Now let's play this regularly, as if we didn't just debug for hours. Sketch, we draw the blocks. Gonna make this within sketch we are going to say the ball is randomized. Wow. There. Okay, cool. There. Fantastic. Oop. See, it's kind of odd sometimes, but I think we should be fine. I'm gonna make it move less. Maybe like 2. Whoa. Didn't mean to do that. Okay. And that should be good. Let's not console.log. Here. There. That's all I wanted. Awesome. So that's gonna wrap it up for today. Tomorrow we will be refactoring, which hopefully it won't take as long as this has. I always do that. YouTube, if I can go to my channel, that would be great. Let's go to my channel. My channel. Here we go. Videos. Which one is after Breakout? Pac-Man. That one's gonna be just as difficult. So, let's just go for it, I guess. Tomorrow, that'll be tomorrow's refactory of the day. And yeah, I will see you guys then. If you have enjoyed, be sure to tune in next time. Peace, peace.